Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible. I've got yet another video for you guys and I feel like it's quite an important common one because it's been happening quite a lot recently. It's all to do with airdrops. What are they? How do they work? Why do we get them? Obviously, it's been very popular recently. So many of these coins are now allowing their customers and their purchasers to actually have access to airdrops as well. So in this video, that is what I'm going to be covering. As per usual, guys, please be sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure your bell icon is turned on so you are notified every time I upload a video. This presentation will, as usual, be available on our Crypto Bible website for you to click and download for you to read for yourself in case you do miss the video or you want to go back and read it for yourself. As well, on our website you can find all the latest news and all of my other uploads there too. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. What are airdrops and smart airdrops? Airdrops are a method of distributing tokens to users. They are commonly used to generate buzz around a project, reward users for certain behaviors, and or create a community. They are popular with projects big and small, but tax regulatory authorities are concerned they circumvent tax laws. Projects live or die on their ability to attract users. The crypto space is no different, but it does have a unique advantage. Blockchain projects can create their own tokens and use them as an incentive for users to start using their products. One of the key ways projects can do this is via a technique called airdrops. So, what are airdrops? Airdrops are a method of distributing tokens to users, not to be confused with ICOs, which are used to raise funds for a project. They can be used to do a number of different things. They can reward loyal customers, they can generate excitement around the project, they can identify potential customers open to new products or services, and they can also incentivize followers to perform certain tasks that help the project grow. Now, for those of you that do not know, I have done a video on how to stake things such as Luna, for example. Luna is one of the coins that I use where I get quite a lot of airdrops. In fact, they've got about 26 airdrops planned for Luna stakers. So if you're interested in taking a look at that, please watch the video in the link in the description below and let's get back into it. Who came up with the idea of airdrops? It's unclear who specifically came up with the concept of airdrops. Omisa Go, a banking service built on Ethereum, claimed credit for the technique in 2017 after it distributed its tokens to followers. But how do airdrops work? There are typically two different types of airdrops. You have announced airdrops. With a fixed date and time frame for release, these are designed to generate buzz among the crypto community and often have specific tasks attached in order to be eligible. Then you also have unannounced airdrops. These type of airdrops involve selecting wallet addresses and randomly dropping tokens without the user knowing where they came from. These are typically used to surprise and delight customers. So how do you find out about them? A cottage industry of forums has sprung up to help people discover how to take part in airdrops. Companies also use their own distribution channels like Telegram and Medium to inform users of upcoming drops. Who uses airdrops? It's popular for projects big and small. Binance, one of the world's largest exchanges, used the technique in 2017 to raise awareness. Definity, a smart contract blockchain project, gave away the equivalent of $35 million worth of tokens in airdrop. Limitations with airdrops. As the popularity of airdrops has increased, so has the validity as a way of building a community. Some critics have claimed the indiscriminate nature of distributing tokens does little to foster an active community. Many airdrop recipients hold onto tokens and do little to maintain the network after the initial buzz wears off. In the US, the practice has raised questions about tax liabilities and whether they amount to income or capital gains. That's where smart airdrops come in. So what are smart airdrops? Smart airdrops are token distributions designed to target specific users. Similar to how marketing campaigns create user profiles in order to work out who its audience is and how to target them, smart airdrops are designed to only attract users the network wants. But how are they different? Smart airdrops involve the project understanding the type of user it wants to attract before distribution starts. Considerations could be based on the location, the demographic, and a user's interest. But what does the future hold for airdrops? Airdrops have become an increasingly popular form of marketing for blockchain projects. However, US regulation could make it difficult for American projects to offer airdrops, and it is also the same for UK as well. A more considered approach to distributing tokens seems to be where the industry is heading. But for now, airdrop popularity continues. So guys, there you have it. That is everything you basically need to know and understand about airdrops. There isn't too much you really do need to know. However, it's very relevant because, again, there's so many airdrops that are going on right now in the crypto space, so many different projects coming into the scene. And usually when a new project is dropped, they usually do it via an airdrop, and Luna is one of those examples. Luna introduced coins such as MIR, Anchor Protocol, and Mine as well. All of these are brand new projects, and you were able to actually claim them as an airdrop if you were staking Luna. So again, watch that video. The link is in the description below if you are interested. However, if you have enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like down below. Please make sure you have subscribed if you haven't already, and your bell icon is turned on so you are notified every time we upload a video. And that is going to cover it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon. Take it easy.